everybody.
Hi.
Deni here and
Jackie.
And we are coming to you from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We are filming a little video today because Jackie has come to stay and
I'm excited.
And she's excited. And it's fun to be able to show you around the room in case you're planning a vacation. And so we get to give you a little inside peek into Jackie's room and what it looks like. And just all the amenities that are here at Caribbean Beach Resort. But before we do that, we just want to remind you that this video, like all the videos here on the DIS, are sponsored by Dreams Unlimited Travel. Let the experts at Dreams Unlimited Travel help you plan your next Disney vacation. All of their help, their expert advice and assistance is available to you at no extra charge to you. So check them out today at dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. You can request your free, no obligation quote and get the whole process started, get the party started today. So speaking of getting the party started, Jackie, welcome.
I'm so excited to be here.
You're at Walt Disney World.
I can't believe it. And there's not very many Disney resorts that I haven't stayed at. And this is one of them. Yay. So I am just so tickled to be here. So the only time I've ever been to this resort is over a year ago. My husband and I took the Skyliner over from Riviera and we had dinner at Sebastian's Bistro, but we did not wander around the resort. So I've only ever seen these gorgeous, brightly colored buildings from a Skyliner.
Oh my gosh.
And so it's gorgeous here.
It is gorgeous.
I mean,
throughout this little video, I'm going to throw in just sneak peeks of the resort, of the area around Jackie's room, and a little bit of the lobby and the Centertown Market area. So that's in a separate building, Old Port Royale building, and we'll visit that in just a little bit. But speaking of the Skyliner, you just mentioned the Skyliner, Jackie. It is literally outside of your window.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
So you look outside of the windows of this corner room. So you have, if you get a corner room, you have twice the windows going on. So this amazing light that Jackie's got in this space is fantastic. But literally, she can look out of her window right now and see the Skyliner gliding overhead.
Yeah, they're just right there. It is the best. So cool.
That's the best.
Yep.
So pulling in, we'll start at the very beginning, right? So pulling into Caribbean.
It's a very good place to start.
It is a very good place.
Sorry,
I heard that somewhere.
Help it.
I love it.
Sorry.
I love it. No, it's good. It's good. So if you haven't been to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort since the opening of Riviera, or the construction of the Riviera Resort next door, the original entrance for Caribbean Beach was out on Buena Vista Drive. It is no longer there. That's now the driveway for the Riviera.
Yeah.
And so the side, just the side entrance is going to be your entrance in and out of, it's the only entrance in and out of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. So we're in Jamaica area now, and as soon as you come in and you check in at the guard shack, you hang a left, and then you hang your first right after that first bus stop, and you're here at Jamaica.
Yeah, really close.
Convenient parking.
Amazing.
Okay.
Amazing parking.
Yeah.
Like, I couldn't believe how close the buildings are to the parking. Right here. It's so handy, and I mean, that just makes it so nice, because when you're schlepping stuff, it's, the only thing I've ever heard about the Caribbean Beach Resort is how big it is. But, that's okay. When there's parking in front of all the buildings, you just kind of hop on. And I also noticed that there was a bus stop right before we turned right into the parking. So the bus is literally right on the other side of the parking lot. It's just right here. It's very cool.
Yeah, you won't have to walk far to get to where you need to go, which is really nice.
Yeah.
As far as Old Port Royale, if you want to walk to Centertown Market, you might have a little walk, but all that is on your My Disney Experience app. You can check out your resort map, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, plentiful parking. As soon as we pulled into the Jamaica area, there's 3 buildings here, and there's plenty of spots for everybody. Yeah. So walking up to the room, beautiful landscaping, very tropical
Yeah,
theme.
it just feels like you're in the Caribbean, which is so cool. It's so cool. And lizards and, all that.
Lizards. I used to love the lizards when I came to Disney because in Maryland you just didn't see them running all over the place.
Yeah, it reminds me of being on vacation once again.
Yeah.
Because we have lizards in Jacksonville, but we certainly didn't have them in Seattle. So it just makes me think about that first time that I came to Walt Disney World. And the first time I saw lizards around, I was like, there's lizards here? What? What's happening?
The flora.
I've never seen a lizard. Yeah, I've never seen a lizard in real life. What's happening here? So anyway, that's really fun. And the foliage is gorgeous. It's really beautiful. And I love the brightly colored buildings.
Yes.
It just feels gorgeous walking up to it.
It does. It feels happy.
Yeah.
It's upbeat. It's not stuffy. If you want more of a formal resort vacation, this might not be the resort for you. But if you're looking to really relax and kind of unwind, this from the word go really set off a nice kind of tone today.
Yes.
And we were greeted by an amazing cast member, one of the mousekeeping team, as soon as we walked up to the room. She was really, really sweet.
Oh, she was so happy to see us.
Yes.
She welcomed us. It was so nice.
It was great.
I love that because I just feel like they're so happy to be here and we're so happy to be here, and it just shows on their faces, their sweet smiling faces.
You're
it's
exactly right.
Very fun.
You're right.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get down to the room itself. Jackie has a king size bed guest room here. It is an accessible room, so we are on the first floor in room 4601. And like we said earlier, you've got, because you have a corner room, you've got twice the natural light coming into the room, which is really nice.
So awesome.
And as soon as you walk into the room, I mean, Jackie, you said it, as soon as we walked in, you kind of went, oh my, there's so much space.
It's so big. It's so big. I mean, this was, I've never walked into a Disney resort room that's like a studio kind of room and had this much room, even one with just a king bed.
Yes.
I mean, there's a whole world of space here, and it's just nice to be able to spread out, especially if you're mom and dad and you have a kiddo with you and they've brought games and things and they want to color and they don't want to sit at the table. They can sprawl out on the floor. They can just have at it. They can lay on the floor and watch TV. They can, there's a lot of room here. It's so good.
Absolutely. If you are in need of an accessible room, just to have, obviously for accessibility, for mobility, reasons, if you've got a scooter or a wheelchair in your traveling party, you have plenty of space to pull it into this room and to park it and kind of store it out of the space, or to navigate between the different things that are in the room. We are seated at the table that's in the room right now, and you could always pull it out just a little bit if you needed to get more friends, or you could pull it over to the bed. But there's 2 chairs here and a nice big table.
Oh, and I want to mention too that the way this room was booked was a king preferred. So it wasn't booked as an accessible room. And so it's interesting that's what we have. And we're so happy because this corner room, I don't think we would have had this otherwise.
No, it's lovely. Just natural light just makes all the difference. So we've got the space, we've got your great table here to be able to sit down, and one of the things that Jackie's going to get to do tonight is she is going to order the new Disney Family Night Dinner. So just announced was the fact that they are doing these to-go bundle meals that serve 3 to 4 people.
They do,
at Caribbean Beach Resort, and also over at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa from Gasparilla Island. So it just so happens that our dear Jackie is staying here at Caribbean Beach, and so she is going to go try out the Disney Family Night meal.
And
is that's made to be eaten in your room, correct?
You can. So
Okay.
I placed the order this morning. Now it's a mobile order, so you have to place it ahead of time. And a word of caution, just for anybody who wants to use mobile order right now, you want to order as soon as you've made the decision that you're going to dine at a certain place. You want to hop in there and see when you can mobile order it, because you are asked to choose a window of time for your pickup. And so I went in this morning and thought, all right, well, let me see if the evening time is available. And it was. And it asked me if I was going to dine in or take out.
Oh.
So that was kind of cool, because I put takeout because I want to bring it back to the room. I would just like to, be in my own space and kind of just chill out with that. So it was fun that it gave you the option, because Centertown is all redone now. Mm-hmm. So for people who want to just stay right there, I imagine it would be served differently.
Yes.
So
I imagine you're going to get it kind of boxed up and ready. You're going to be able to just breeze by and grab and go. And for families who are here with little ones, they just need to come back and get them in the bathtub and get them a little something to eat and in bed. Yeah. My gosh, how perfect is that?
It's beautiful.
Or a couple of friends who just want to share, or just by yourself and then take a little bit to go home. Take some of the magic to go.
Yes, absolutely. Perfect. And I'm so excited that they're doing this because there were so many times when our kids were little that we wanted to order in, but the only option was pizza. And pizza is the favorite of a lot of people, but you don't always want pizza. I mean, sometimes you just want something else.
That's true.
So it's really cool that they're doing this option, and I hope that they are successful with it, and I hope it gets brought to more resorts. So,
for sure.
Because that'll be really cool.
I'm so excited that you're doing that.
I am too.
Very cool.
Yay.
So, breezing around the rest of the room, we've got an armoire that is kind of a sideboard that's right next to the table. You got your flat panel TV on the wall, like is standard in Disney resorts, and you have 6 drawers. They're nice and deep, so that if you've got a good amount of clothes to store, then you're going to have what you need. And then we've got a refrigerator, which Jackie, you pointed out, is technically a cooling box.
It's a cooler,
right?
Yeah. Okay. It says it cools down to 41 degrees.
Okay.
So, and they have a label right on the glass front of it so that you're aware that it's not actually a cold refrigerator.
So you can't bring your Mickey premium bars from the park and put them in there and expect them to stay frozen.
Sadly, you cannot. Darn it. Because who wants a Mickey bar for breakfast sometimes?
Not me.
Not me. I know. Yeah. I'm like,
in a heartbeat, I'd eat that for breakfast.
Asking for a friend.
But if you need it to store things like medicine, stuff like that, essentials for your traveling party, you've got ample facility to do that. Next to that sideboard, or on top of that sideboard, we've got a coffee maker. It's not a Keurig.
It's not.
It's not. We're seeing Keurigs in some of the Walt Disney World resorts, but alas, not here at Caribbean Beach. You also have your ice container if you need ice, for your water, which is always a good thing when it's
especially here,
77 degrees outside.
Yes.
On the other side of that, you've got your armoire and extra blankets and pillows and things like that. There's a hairdryer in there.
Yeah. And one thing I love is the magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not in the armoire, though. Never mind.
Yeah, that's back in the bathroom. We're about
I'm
to
getting
back
my
there.
head of myself over here.
Next to the armoire, you've got your fold-up ironing boards. If you want to do a little ironing on vacation, you can do so. There's a few extra little supplies inside the armoire, because right now, mousekeeping is a little bit different than it normally is. It's not visiting every single day. That may be edited or changed here in the near future, but as of right now, they kind of give you some extras just in case you need them during your stay.
Nice.
And then as an accessible room, the bathroom is a little bit, just a little bit deeper than it normally is, a little bit bigger, which is nice. You've got what you need. If you're looking for a safe, Jackie found where the safe is here in this room. I was looking for it in the armoire or a wall outside near the armoire. Jackie, where did you find the safe?
I found it right in front of the potty. It was right in front of the throne.
So,
really interesting spot for that.
2 birds, 1 stone. Perfect.
Yes.
Put some things in the safe. take care of business at the same time.
Yeah.
But it is it's in the bathroom.
It's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
It was a little strange.
Oh my gosh.
And the iron is also found right above the safe in the bathroom as well. It's a standard bathroom. It's not though it's an accessible bathroom, it's not a roll-in shower. So Jackie, you've got a tub.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And a nice big sink and a nice big counter. And you were saying you like the makeup mirror.
I do like that makeup mirror. I don't know what it is, but I like that. I like
always,
having that.
yeah, I use it. It's an illuminated makeup mirror, and I am the same way. If I'm at a Disney resort, I'm turning that thing on in the morning, and because I can't, eyeliner's hard enough. So anything that helps you get the eyeliner where it needs to go is a good thing.
Yes, it is. For sure.
One quick thing that we can find here in the main room, in the bedroom, is that I'm starting to see this trend in some of the resorts, Disney property resorts, other hotel chains are starting to just put the bedside table on one side of the bed and not both. And that irks me to no end.
Yes.
Like if I have to roll my little suitcase up to be my bedside table, it happened at one of the Universal resorts as well recently.
Okay.
Like I have to pull my little suitcase up and put my things, because I got to put my glasses somewhere. I lip gloss, my glass of water has to go somewhere.
Absolutely.
You've got 2 bedside tables here. So that's just, if that's important to you, I know it's a minor thing, but if it's important to you, it's here. Yeah. And it's nice to know.
I think I'm surprised that they do that. I've noticed that too. And it's surprising because both people need a spot for their stuff.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'm glad this one's have. Now, this room, I don't think that these rooms here have been redone in a while because they don't have the higher beds, and so
Yeah, it's this
furniture changes up sometimes.
Yes.
Who knows what's going to happen? But for now, we're happy.
Yeah. This definitely doesn't have the platform bed under which you can store luggage. So maybe Caribbean Beach will see a refurb here soon. Yeah. I'm also going to put some footage in of Centertown Market and of Old Port Royale. That has not recently, but within the last handful of years, seen a refurb. It's just this gorgeous flowing, bright and airy space now. It was fun before, fun and festive, but now it's a little classy now. Not that it wasn't classy before. Centertown Market is really nice. It's got one central place that you order, before these current times that we're in where it's all mobile order. It was this one long counter, and then you went and picked up from there at different stations and windows and things. Now you've got mobile order, which is incredibly convenient.
So
nice. And it's a great, laid back, fun place to stay.